This video is going to be on box and whisker plots. And I'm going to show you how to do them, and then we'll talk about the picture at the top. Well, the first thing you have to do in a box or whisker plot is put them in order from least to greatest. Now these are already in order, so we can go ahead and start. So just remember to put numbers, or data as they're called, in order from least to greatest. All right, and we have these numbers here, so tell if that's blurry or not. All right, so I'm going to rewrite these numbers. I've got 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, 9, 12, 12, and 13. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so if we're looking up here, we got a minimum number and a maximum number. All right, so our smallest number here is 2, and our largest number is 13. All right, so, and we also have to find the median, so we're going to cross out these numbers like y'all have done before, I hope. And our median falls between 9 and 8. So 9 plus 8 is 17. And 17 divided by 2 is 8.5. So our median is going to fall between here, and it's going to be 8.5. So we've got the lower extreme, the lower quartile, the median, the upper extreme, upper quartile, and upper extreme. So our median is 8.5. Our lower extreme, which is our lowest number, is 2, and our upper extreme is 13. Now the lower quartile is going to be the median of the lower half, which is this part right here. So if we mark these out, it is 5. So we could put 5 here. And then if we mark these out, it's 12. So all you have to do to construct them is put 5 dots, so to speak, on a number line. It'd be ample to be on a number line. We would put 2, 5, 8.5, 12, and 13. And then draw your box around the middle, and then your whiskers. And then if you follow that, you would do that. So if we look at our box plot that we made, and going up at the top, 2 is our lower extreme or smallest number. 13 is our upper extreme or largest number. 8.5 is the median. 5 is the lower quartile. And 12 is the upper quartile. And what we can talk about with these is each section that we have in our box plot, like from here to here, is 25%. Here to here is 25%. Here to here is 25%, and here to here is 25%. Okay, so, and then our interquartile range, our EQR, is our upper quartile minus our lower quartile, which is 12 minus 5, which is 7. So that's pretty much all you need to know about box plots, other than the way the median is calculated. All right, so now we have a median that falls on the number. These are the same set of numbers minus 1. So we've got 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, 12, 12, and 13. Okay, and they're already in order, but remember, you have to put them in order from least to greatest. All right, so once again, we got to find the lower extreme, the lower quartile, the median, the upper quartile, and upper extreme. So we've got, once again, we have 2 and 13. So the lower extreme is 2. The upper extreme is 13. Let's calculate the median. All right, we have a single number, so this time the median is 8. All right, and this time you would split data on this side of the median. So you have to pay attention to the difference. All right, the lower quartile is the median of this half, which would be 5 and 3, which is 8. And 8 divided by 2 is 4. And then on this half, 12 and 12 is 24. Divided by 2 is 12. So there's our 5 numbers. So let's see, 2, 4. Let's give it a little space. 8, 4 is 12, and 13. So 2, 4, 8, 12, and 13. And then you would draw your box, and then your whiskers. The line going down the middle is the median, so you need to remember that. Lower extreme, lower quartile, upper quartile, upper extreme. All right, the IQR for this data is 12 minus 4, because it's the upper quartile minus the lower quartile. Upper quartile is 12, minus lower quartile is 4 is 8. If they happen to ask you the range, that's the highest number minus the lowest number. And in this case, it's 13 minus 2, which is 11. And that is how you construct and read a box plot. But we'll talk more about it when we do notes today.